Hello everyone, we are back. Today we are here with a new video that is also about an important topic of our English grammar, that are verbs. So in this video we will learn what are they, their types with sentences and definitions. Okay, now let's start. So at the beginning we will discuss what is a verb. Okay, verb is a word which describes an action, a state and position, like doing, being and having. Firstly, I will give you some examples of doing verbs: play, eat, read, jump, wash and etc. Being verbs are, is, am, are, was, be and etc. Having verbs are has, have, having and etc. So let's take examples of these three verbs. First, I eat my meals regularly. Here the word eat is the doing verb. Okay. Children play in the park. Play. The word play is doing verb. Ash is my friend. So here the word is a being verb. The horse was black. The word was is here the being verb. Okay. I have a blue pencil. Here the word have is having verb. He has a big company. So here the word has is also having verb. So now we will discuss about types and kinds of verbs. Okay. So I will tell you the main types of verbs, that are: first, main verbs or principal verbs. Okay. Second, auxiliary or helping verbs. Third, transitive and intransitive verbs. Next, finite and non-finite verbs. Next, regular and irregular verbs. And the last one is modal verbs. So firstly we will discuss about main or principal verbs. What are they and their examples? Main verbs are the verbs which are used to denote any action in the sentence. They can be changed according to the other words of the sentences, like run, eat, play, read, knock, so on. Okay. We may add d or ed or ing at the end of such verbs. Okay. ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ verb मतलब ਇਹਨਾਂ verbs ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ we can add मतलब ਕੀ add ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, d, ed or ing. Okay. Examples: girls play hockey in the ground. So here the word play is principal verb or main verb. Okay. Second, she wrote beautiful stories. So here the word wrote is also main or principal verb. Next, someone knocked at the door yesterday. So here the word knocked is also the principal or main verb. Okay. I wash my uniform daily. So here the word wash is also the main verb. Okay. The next one is auxiliary or helping verbs. These verbs are used with the main verbs. Okay. They are not changed while used in the sentences. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੇਨ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਵਰਬ ਸੀਗੇ, ਦੇ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਚੇਂਜਡ, ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਅਦਰ ਵਰਡਸ ਆਫ ਦ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਸ. ਓਕੇ. ਪਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਕਜ਼ਿਲਰੀ ਵਰਬਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਵਰਬਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਚੇਂਜਡ. ਓਕੇ. ਵਿਦ ਦ ਵਰਡਸ ਆਫ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਸ and they are used with the main verbs or principal verbs. Okay. Examples: is, am, are, was, does, will, has, had and etc. So here are some sentences. First, he is writing a new story. So here the word is the helping verb. Okay. Rohini was suffering from cancer. So here the word was is also helping verb. So the next verbs are transitive or intransitive verbs. Okay. Firstly transitive. Verbs that need objects to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs. Okay. ਉਹ verbs ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ object ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮਤਲਬ sentence ਦੇ end ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ object, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, to complete the meaning of the sentence. Okay. So they are called transitive verbs. Example, I have bought a new mobile. A new mobile is the object here. Okay, so it is completing the sentence and making its meaning. Like this, the next sentence is, she filled the water bottle. Okay, the water bottle is also the transitive verb here. Next, intransitive verbs. What are they? Verb that do not require object to complete its meaning. Okay, मतलब ਉਹ ਵਰਬਸ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਦੀ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਮਤਲਬ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਓਕੇ, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਨੋਨ ਐਜ਼ ਇੰਟ੍ਰਾਂਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਵਰਬਸ. ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ, ਦ ਗਰਲ ਸਮਾਈਲਡ. So here the word smiled is intransitive verb. The temperature is rising. So here the word rising is also intransitive verb. So the next verb is finite and non-finite verbs. Firstly, we will discuss about finite verbs. They are such type of verb forms that changes according to the person, singular or plural. ठीक है? And number and line like present, past or future. ਇਹ ਉਹ verbs ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹ form ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ verbs ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ person ਦੇ according ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ number and time ਦੇ according change ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. person ਮਤਲਬ singular ਹੈ ਜਾਂ plural ਹੈ, ਤੇ number and time ਮਤਲਬ present, past ਜਾਂ future ਕਿਹੜੇ time ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. Okay, so here are some sentences. They have planted many trees. So here the word planted is finite verb. She was waiting outside the hotel. So here the word waiting is also finite verb. So now non-finite verbs. What are they? They are such type of verb forms that do not change according to the time of an action or the number of people doing action. Okay, some examples or sentences are, my friend likes to paint wall. So here the word to paint is non-finite verb. Under non-finite verbs, there are some types. We will discuss all. Firstly, the infinitive. What is the infinitive? It is referred to as to plus main verb. Okay. Example, she came here to discuss the lesson. To ਤਾਂ add ਹੋਣਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ main verb ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਮੂਰੇ add ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ. Okay. Like to discuss. Here the word to discuss is the infinitive verb. The next is the gerund. What is it? They are the such verbs that are made up of main verb plus ing. Infinitive केड़ा सी to plus main verb. Gerund है main verb plus ing. To be gerund and work as a noun in the sentence. Examples, swimming is my hobby. So here the main verb was swim and we have added ing to the main verb. Okay, swimming is my hobby. Okay, next, the participle. What is it? A verb that functions as an adjective in a sentence is called a participle. Okay, example, the trained soldiers fought bravely in the war. Okay, here the word trained is the participle verb. The next form of the verbs is regular or irregular verbs. Firstly, regular or weak verbs. Regular verbs ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ weak verbs ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ irregular ਨੂੰ of course strong verbs. Firstly, we will discuss about regular verbs. In regular verbs, we make the past form and participle by adding d, ed and t. So we will take some examples in the form of base, past tense and past participle. Firstly, paint. Okay, in the base form it will be paint, past tense painted and past participle also painted. Okay, next, happen. In the base form it will be happen, past tense happened and past participle happened. Okay, so the next one is irregular verbs, or we can say strong verbs. They are such type of verbs that are formed by changing the inside vowels of base form. ਇਹ ਉਹ verbs ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ base form ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ 3 parts ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ regular verbs, base form, past tense and past participle. Okay, ਸੋ ਹੇਅਰ ਆਲਸੋ ਇਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾਗਾ, ਬੇਸ ਫਾਰਮ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੋਵਲ ਹੁੰਦਾਗਾ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾਗਾ ਪਾਸਟ ਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਪਾਸਟ ਪਾਰਟੀਸਿਪਲ ਵਿੱਚ. ਓਕੇ, we will take some examples. First, blow is the base form. Okay, past tense will be blew and past participle will be blown. Okay, next, write is the base form, past tense will be wrote and past participle will be written. So our next form of verbs is modal verbs. What are they? Modal verbs are used before main or root verbs to express permission, suggestion, advice, possibility, ability, request, and so on. Such verbs indicate the attitude, intention, and mood of the speaker. So the words that are used as modals are should, must, can, could, ought to, would, shall, may, might, and etc. So here are some sentences. May I drink water? So here the word may is the modal verb. Next, I can read one book every day. So here the word can is also modal verb. Next, you should clean your class yourself. So here the word should is also the modal verb. Thank you. This was all about the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and for more videos subscribe our channel. We will be back with a new video. For then, bye bye. Sat Shri Akal.